Hello, welcome to your second part of Selenium with Docker. So today we are going to discuss about how to install uh, Docker desktop, download container images, start the hub container, then start node container, and then go to the console. Okay, and see what are the browsers are registers and how many containers are basically registered. So first things you have to go to docker.com. You have to create your user ID and password. It is very free. You just create your sign up here. Click here. You can download for the desktop. You can do it for the Mac. I'm going to do in this session. I'm going to do it for Window. Okay. Click next, next, next. It will tell you what are the different steps are there. You have to go to the GitHub, download from there, and then run the exe. It will get installed. The moment it's get installed, because in my machine is already installed, so I'm not going to perform that operation. It's time consuming. So if you type here, Docker is there. Okay, just click it. It will start the Docker. Generally Docker will put its startable scripts into the your uh, services, where whenever the system starts it will get automatically started, but which will make my system little slow, so I am not doing that. So what I'm doing it, I'm just starting whenever I need it. So you see, Docker is starting. The moment it gets started, it's so running. Go to the command prompt. Okay, and then you see it has got started, so you see running. Just type docker minus minus version. Okay, you get the versions. Okay, after that what you need to do, you need to download the container images. Okay, now what you need to go, you just go this to this site again. Okay, type selenium. You'll get all the containers which are Linux containers, 64 86 64 bits. Okay, now you need first the hub, so you download the images for the hub. Directly go here and copy it, paste it. Okay, it will take just 30 seconds, not more than that. Similar to that, I need Chrome, so I'll just go there. And so this is a headless one, you remember, and there is a head one is also there, non-headless one is there. And then again you go to non where is Chrome debug, yeah, non-headless one. Just go there, copy and paste it. Okay, similar to this, we have another is for Firefox. You go there and download, and then you go and do it for non-headless for Firefox. So this one, we have others also like Phantom.js and all, which whatever is needed you can do it. I have just downloaded this too, 4 basically. So I can see it is 5 are downloaded. So if you want to see what are the images are downloaded, just type docker images. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. Docker images. You see, by mistake I have downloaded this standalone. You don't need it. You need only this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what is the next task? As you generally do, what do? You start the hub first, correct? So same way, I will start the hub container. So what is the command to start the hub container? It's very simple. Just take this, note it down. Docker run -d -p. P is a port. You can change the port name. What name you want to give the hub, and the image name. This is the image name. Any name you want to give, you can give the name of a hub. What happened? Error from the daemon. The container name is already in use by container. Okay, so look like some name is already being used by container. Let me see what is the name. You can see it, docker ps-a. Okay, one container is already running it. What I'll do, I'll just uh, remove it, stop it first. It is already stopped, so I have to remove it. So docker rm and process name means container id. Give, it will stop again. It's good that this problem we faced it, so you know how to remove it. Now if I give, no containers are running. Okay, nothing is running right now. So next thing is like I have to start the hub. So I'll start the hub. Okay, then my next is register the like start the nodes and link it with the hub. So I'll start selenium-chrome-debug and link it with the hub. Okay, then another is Firefox and linked it with the hub. Just remember the command, this very small commands, just remember it. I'll put it into the comment sections, the commands, don't worry about that. Okay, now if you see what are the processes are running, I can see there. Okay, so my three processes are, my containers are running. Now go to basically your localhost colon 444 slash grid slash console. Sometime Docker will change your localhost basically, so it will be become like 9268 or some IPs. If you want to see how to go there, go to the cd host and then open, and you can see Docker has already changed it, and Docker has already set the path for environment variables and all. Nothing you have to do it. So directly take it that one if localhost is not working. And the moment I refresh it, I can see two containers. You can see the IPs. Now if you want to go into this Linux boxes, you can go also. You need some softwares like VNC and other so many softwares are there. You can go and see, and you can see the executions there itself. Okay, password is secret, so you can use a secret as a password. This is IP, you can use it directly with a port, and you can see the executions of your code. Okay, so this is how we have registers two nodes and started the hub. So two containers are there with one browser. You can see this is a one browser. If you want to see more things and all, you can go and check it, like other things, what are the configurations, hub, URL, timeout, cleanup cycles, everything it is there, like how many sessions, everything is registered here. Okay, so till here we look good with the starting and installation of dockers. In next sessions we'll know how to run the script into the Docker. Until then, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.